Take a look at this video that I found today.
इसकी भी 90% है ना। उसकी 7 लाख रैंक है। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन गाइस। फोन नंबर के बराबर रैंक है 7 लाख। हेलो ए आई आर 7 लाख, कैसे हो ब्रो?
एट फर्स्ट मुझे लगा कि मजाक है, बट देन आई रियलाइज्ड कि जिस टाइप का कंटेंट ये बंदा बना रहा है उस हिसाब से तो मजाक नहीं हो सकता है। आई वॉच द स्ट्रीम और थैंकफुली स्टार्टिंग में ही था एक क्लिप। और हाँ, वैसे ये इसके इंस्टेंटली बाद बोलता है कि मजाक है ये, बट देन ये फिर हंसता है फिर से और बोलता है बस ये हो रहा है इससे प्रूफ कि तुम बिल्कुल भी पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे या फिर बहुत कम पढ़ाई कर रहे हो। लिसन, I know that there is a difference between encouraging someone and giving them a reality check, but भाई तुम उनमें से कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो. The thing you're doing is making fun of others. You're mocking other people for their efforts. तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम ऐसे हंसो किसी किसी भी इंसान के efforts पे. Well, anyways, good morning, guys, and sorry if I sound a bit frustrated because well, I am frustrated. सुबह उठ के पहले वीडियो देख ली, मेरा मूड खराब हो गया, बट अब मैं क्या बोलूं, मतलब ये सेम थॉट्स वैसे भी मेरे दिमाग में वैसे भी आ ही रहे थे। एंड एक ही क्वेश्चन आता है यार बार बार कि तुम अपने आप सोचो, हमारे देश को इतने साल हो गए एंड ईच न्यू ईयर, हर एक साल देयर आर न्यू बैच ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स व्हिच आर जस्ट लाइक एंटरिंग 9th 10th 11th। कोई बस अभी भी नया स्कूल स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। हर नए साल देयर आर सो मेनी न्यू टीचर्स एंड इतने नए इंस्टीट्यूशंस आ रहे हैं, इतने एक्सपेंसिव थिंग्स फॉर आईआईटी जेई नीट एंड एवरीथिंग। बट one thing that has remained the same throughout is like, why has there still been no change to our education system? Why it's the same as before, yeah, मतलब इतने साल हो गए उसके बाद भी। And the thing is, yes, the government is at fault. It is the fault of the government, but some of the fault I think also lies with us. नाउ मेन बात ये है कि तुमने भी यूट्यूब पे ऐसी वीडियोस देखी होंगी वेयर दे से लाइक व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद द इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम, और ऐसी वीडियोस आती है यूट्यूब पे ओकेजनली। तुमने देखी होंगी एंड देन यू वुड हैव थॉट कि भाई हमारे देश में ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, दिस इज वेरी रॉन्ग। पर फिर तुम उसको भूल जाओगे बिकॉज वेल देयर इज नथिंग यू कैन डू। पर मैं एक बात बताऊं तुम्हें, whenever any great change comes out in any government or any country, it never comes on a whim. वो कभी भी randomly नहीं आता। There is always a movement, a group of people who come together to oppose it. उसके बाद ही कुछ change आता है। And then the people who have the audience, जो ये बोल सकते हैं, वो कुछ नहीं कर रहे, वो बस बैठे हुए हैं because they know कि उन्होंने ये चैनल स्टार्ट किया, उन्होंने अपनी ऑडियंस बिल्ड की, अब वो कुछ नया ट्राई नहीं करेंगे। वन फैक्ट अगर तुमने भी नोटिस किया हो तो इज दैट दीज यूट्यूबर्स नेवर टॉक अबाउट दैट व्हाई दे चोज दिस स्ट्रीम, दैट व्हाई दे चोज टू बिकम ए quote unquote engineer. Why? Because they don't have a reason. They are the same as you in that boat, that they were told by the people around them that you can choose science and that's how you can become successful. And the main difference is that they tried, they struggled, and they succeeded, and that's great, that's amazing, and they have done it, they deserve it. But the fact is, what are they doing with it now online? Should they be voicing it that you should not take science out of peer pressure, should not uh, take engineering just because the people around you are telling you to, that there should be changes made in this system to allow people to have their interest also come into the play? No. What do? You build your audience on the basis of giving the same tips again and again. You make trash content, just the same recycled ideas of God in this subject, God in that subject, or the same roadmaps each new month. Shit posting that you use to stay relevant. You should know as a content creator what your audience is. That is literally filled to the brim with young teens who do not have a mind of their own. Well, they do, but they can't, but their thinking is not perfectly developed yet. You should be the one to guide them, that they have the freedom to choose what they want to do. This is where my personal vendetta against Nishan Jindal comes in. This guy has literally said openly that your interests are secondary and that studies. especially the ones that can get you into IIT, should be the main focus. You should do what you don't want to do and then pursue what you want to do afterwards. Just because you want a tag on your head and just because you think that is the only way to success, you are dumb. Now, don't get me wrong, and that giving advice on studying is a noble cause. Like all doing it on the internet for free is absolutely brilliant and you should be respected. But you are not worthy of respect because knowing knowing what the condition of our country is, knowing the kind of audience you have, knowing the kind of people that follow you are young teens who probably have not yet made their mind up on what they want to pursue, what passion they have, which if they have, they are not able to completely hone it because then they choose science and they cannot pursue it. You should be the one to speak up and try to make a change in this country so that we and all the other kids can actually do what they want to do and be respected for it. But no, why would you choose to actually make a change when you can just sit there and pump out the same bullshit again and again and again? Why should you care for the kids when your own pockets are being filled? And this is where my personal vendetta against Nishan Jindal begins. भाई तू क्या इंसान है? Whereas all the other YouTubers are hus with no personality, this guy has a shit personality. Well, all of them build their own interests and their entire personality around and around their tag of being an IITian. What he does is that he screams and forces kids to believe that IIT and JEE is the only way that they can find success. Not only that, you can easily see that he openly claims that IIT and JEE NEET that specifically JEE is better than all other streams. He is a hypocrite because on his channel he has made multiple shorts where he has shamed NEET and UPSC for being inferior just because they require more time and give less money, while he openly hails JEE as this some kind of messiah that will allow a person to become literally a superhero. यू भाई तू एक घटिया इंसान है एंड जस्ट नो दिस बिकॉज तूने अपनी जिंदगी में कभी भी ये वॉइस आउट नहीं किया दैट देयर शुड बी अ चेंज मेड टू द सिस्टम सो दैट ईच एंड एवरी चाइल्ड कैन डू व्हाट दे वांट टू डू. तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए दैट नॉट एवरी चाइल्ड कैन स्टडी फॉर आवर्स ऑन एंड, पर फिर भी तुम गिल्ट ट्रिप करते हो बच्चों को बिलीव करने में दैट स्टडिंग इज द ओनली वे दैट दे कैन अचीव एनीथिंग इन लाइफ. If a change is made in our system, I am not saying that studying should be eradicated, it should be condoned. Studying is a good thing, but the fact that you're studying for something that you never want to pursue is completely wrong. And the fact that you have to give up your interests to keep on studying is even worse. तुम्हें पता है भाई तुमने खुद दे रखे जे नीट, क्या तुम्हारे कभी और कोई सपने नहीं थे that I want to pursue writing, I want to become an artist, that I want to dance, want to sing? नहीं था भाई तुम्हारा कुछ, या फिर तुम्हें कुछ था ही नहीं, या फिर तुमने छोड़ दिया, तुम भूल गए और अब तुम पैसे कमा रहे हो ये धंधा बना के. नाउ अब तुम मुझसे ये भी सवाल पूछ ले भाई कि वो दो पैसे कमा रहे तो इससे क्या दिक्कत है? मुझे ये दिक्कत नहीं पैसे कमा रहे, मुझे दिक्कत है कि वो क्या काम कर रहे हैं. एज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर ही specifically Nishan Jindal, listen, he is the spawn of hell, he is the worst. I have already said this before and I will say it again and again, but the other YouTubers are not any better. I am probably going to put their names on the screen. They are not any better simply because they are not voicing up anything against it. Ignorance is not better than literally condoning bad thoughts. तुम कोई इंसान बुरी चीज को बढ़ावा दे रहा है, you're in the same field, you should be the one to step up and voice against it, पर कोई कुछ नहीं कर रहा है because they know कि उनका पूरा audience इस पे ही build है. They know कि उन्होंने कुछ और बात बोली then the kids might not actually take science, फिर वो उनके पास नहीं आएंगे, but they need to sell their courses, they need the kids to take science to then rush to them कि कैसे ये भैया मुझे बताएंगे कि how can I do this stream, how can I do JEE that I never wish to do. तुम्हें पैसा कमाना है ना, तुम इसलिए करोगे. Here is a video of Nishan Jindal doing something that I completely hate, and this single video made me hate him as a person, and you need to see this too.
बहुत कम टाइम बचा है, बहुत कम। तेरे को अभी कितने टाइम बचा है पता है? जेई 2028 बस अभी आ गया, 5 साल बचे हैं बस। और तेरे 4 साल बचे हैं, ठीक है ना? बच्चे वहाँ पे इतना कंपटीशन है, 6 क्लास से पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। तुम लोग यार थोड़ा ज़ोर लगाओ, मेहनत करो, ठीक है?
I wonder why the comments on this fucking video are closed. What could be the reason for this? भाई legit मैं तेरे बालकों के लिए प्रार्थना करता हूँ भाई कि उनकी काश तू उनके साथ ऐसे फोर्सफुली ना करे भाई। ये वीडियो देखो यार।
आज देख, इसने 8th क्लास में 9th की आर डी शर्मा कर ली, और तूने 9th क्लास में अभी सिर्फ 9th की आर डी एन सी आर टी ख़त्म करी है बस। तो बता भाई, ये तेरे से कितना आगे हो गया? ऐसे ऐसे कितने बच्चे हैं? तुम्हें पता है जेई में कितना कंपटीशन है? अभी 10 लाख लोग दे रहे हैं जेई, मेरे टाइम पर 13-14 लाख दे रहे थे। अभी यार आगे बढ़ो। और तू, एक तो तेरा काम है, एन सी आर टी ख़त्म हो गई, आर डी शर्मा कर अब सीधा, ठीक है? नहीं तो आर डी शर्मा भी छोड़, सीधा पियर्सन कर दे। पर पियर्सन ख़त्म चाहिए मुझे, ठीक है? चल, आर डी शर्मा कितने दिनों में ख़त्म करेगा? 2 हफ्ते में पूरी शुरू से एंड तक कर देगा? अच्छा। और उसके बाद मैं तेरे को पियर्सन दूंगा, पियर्सन ख़त्म कर दियो। और तेरे को मैंने कोचिंग के मॉड्यूल्स बोला था, फाउंडेशन के जितने चैप्टर हो गए वो कर लिए।
थोड़े से हो गए हैं।
थोड़े से पूरे पूरे ख़त्म करना है यार, ऐसे कैसे लाएगा
दो
फिर?
चैप्टर कर लिए मैंने हर सब्जेक्ट में से।
सारा ख़त्म कर, करके ख़त्म कर। अभी तो फाउंडेशन मॉड्यूल है, फिर एडवांस मॉड्यूल करेंगे, फिर हम वो करेंगे, पियर्सन करेंगे, फिर सेंगेज करेंगे, फिर और चीज़ें करनी है भाई, कितना कुछ है। तुम अभी से यार
There, in front of you, he has ruined 2 lives. Why? Because he has openly told them कि भाई तुम्हारे इंटरेस्ट है उनको बाद में देख लेना, put them aside, IIT जेई करो। भाई ये उन पे प्रेशर डाल रहा है that you have to do जेई और तुम्हें आईआईटी में ही जाना है। एंड आई डोंट थिंक इवन इफ दिस इज ए स्टंट ऑन द इंटरनेट, ये क्यों कर रहा है बंदा ऐसा? मुझे ओपनली मुझे बस ये समझाओ कि इससे क्या मजा आ रहा है जो इसने सेम पाथ पे चूज किया। व्हाई शुड एवरी अदर किड चूज इट? और अगर नहीं किया चूज, देन व्हाई इज द किड इंफीरियर टू देम? भाई तू लोगों की जिंदगी झंड कर रहा है। तूने मेरे सामने सामने अपने दो भाइयों की जिंदगी झंड कर दी। यू डोंट नो कि उन्हें क्या करना है जिंदगी में। even if I am wrong, even if I am wrong, this sets a completely bad example क्योंकि तुम अपने आप सोचो, this guy has a fan base unfortunately that is extremely loyal जो इसके they ride him 24/7, whatever happens they will be on his tail and defending him. If they by chance succeed, if they do any good colleges, they will, you could say, next, like in the few years they will get married, they will have children. What's the chance that they don't force their children to take the same path that they did and give up their own interests because they think that IIT JEE NEET is everything in their life and it's the only way that they can gain success? You are a shit personality, you are doing wrong things on the internet. Please, there is still time. Voice up, delete those videos. And this is my call to every single one of you YouTubers. Please voice up to make a change. Please. You know what is going on in this country, how suicide rates are increasing with each year in this country, and yet you do not care because तुम्हारा पैसा आ रहा है भाई, तो तुम क्या care करोगे? Think about the kids for a second. Set aside everything else. In our country हर रोज बच्चे कर रहे हैं suicide because they can't take the pressure that is being put on them and the extremely high standards that people like you are setting and telling them openly that there is no worth in their life if they can't pass an exam when their parents are already doing the same. You should be different. You should be the person acting as a bigger brother, telling them that they should do what they want to do, that they have worth in their life and that every person is different. But you don't. You have gotten your audience and you will never strive to make a change. You will never do anything about it. Why? Because bhai, I will say it again, paisa aa raha hai. Why care? Oh, hello there. And I am probably going to receive a lot of hate for this video. Well, no one is going to watch this video in the first place, and like, even if they do, I am not going to get good support. But I feel like I said what I just had to, man. There's like, I somehow made this video. I myself don't have the time to do much more. I squared by barely. I made this video. Fact is, man, just I don't know, but like I just feel a bit weird. Like, and the fact is, I am making this video right now because I am much more lucky than any one of you. I have such a fabulous family, and that's why I'm making this video in the first place. It was like it just feels a bit weird, bro. I said what I had to say, and there has to be reform. There has to be some kind of change. Like so many people want to do something else, and yet they can't. Why? This entire system needs to change for the better. All I can do is just make a silly video and hope it pops off and something happens, but it's better than doing nothing or, well, enforcing the same bad thoughts. Just. Well, also, if you really want to actually support me, which I don't think I'll be making any more content like this is my first and last video. If you actually want to support me, I am actually writing currently. It's really fun. You can support me. I'm probably going to have the link in the description. It's called Distant Dreams. You can support my works, and I would be really grateful. Just I would be extremely grateful. Other than that, yeah, I'm just tired. Thank you.